MMLSO everyone, this is Chill Bill and today I'm going to show you how to remove a picture's background / make a picture's background transparent without using Photoshop. Before we begin, you should download this app. I'll leave the link on the description box, and if you'd like to see more of my tutorials and the creation tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So let's open this app. This is our workplace, and before we begin, we should choose the file that we would love to edit. So click on File and open the image that we're going to be using. In this case, it's the red character from Among Us, and as you can see, there's a white background that we would love to remove. But before we continue, go to Layer, Transparency, and make sure that Add Alpha Channel is grayed out. And now, we can begin. All we have to do is click on the Fuzzy Select tool and click on the color that we would love to delete. And then simply click Delete on your keyboard. And there you go! To save your picture, go to File, Export As, and change the file extension to .png. And that's it! Let's do that one more time, but with a different image. It's still the red character from Among Us, but without a plain background. If we choose the Fuzzy Select tool, it only selects the same colored area, and when we press Delete, it will only delete that area. So what we need to do is to click on a different tool, the Free Select tool, and as you can imagine, you have to select the image manually. To have a better look at the image, hold on to the control button, and with your mouse wheel, you can zoom in and zoom out. Let us now select our image, click after click, 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 after click. After selecting the image, don't just press delete yet, or else you'll be deleting your image. But instead, go to Select and click on Invert. Now, you have selected the area you wish to make transparent. Again, simply click Delete. And that's it for today. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if this was helpful to you, and see you in my next video. Bye!